I will say, this is the most interesting use of a cherry picker I've seen. Mocking up a turbo location. Are they really gonna put it there? Maybe. It's no prep. We got a short wheelbase truck, so we're trying to get the weight back here.
So it's just painted kind of fancy, right? But it is an S480 on the intake side. Nothing too special with it necessarily. There might be a little, you know, there's sometimes some trickery here and there. I think it's gonna work pretty good if we can get it in.
Wow, that thing is huge.
The turbo on the roof, bro. Well, I thought it was a joke. I really did. I really thought it was a joke. I was like, oh, they're gassing us up. They're building a truck to be like YouTube famous type of thing, like some Cletus McFarlane shit.
Who the f does that? 2020, bro. You wanna see at the racetrack how much they know.